Welcome to this video. This video is conducted for the online presentations course. This is task number 1, and my name is Johanna Saarteinen. Over here we have the agenda for this video. I'm firstly going to introduce who I am, what I study, if I work somewhere, and where do I live. After that, I'm going to tell you my strengths as a presenter in my own point of view. Then we're going to go ahead and look at my personal goals regarding this course. And then we're quickly going to wrap up in the end. So as mentioned in the beginning, my name is Johanna Saarteinen. I study business and economics at LUT University. And I also work as a solution consultant and a project manager for a Finnish IT firm. I live in Helsinki, Finland, which is about 2 hours by train from Lappeenranta. My strengths as a presenter, I have listed 3 over here. So at first, I think one of my big strengths is that I have quite clear speech, so the audience understands me quite easily. Also, my slides tend to be very succinct, so they're very clear and they don't have too much words on them so that the audience can keep up easier. And also, I tend to smile a lot when I speak. So what are my goals regarding this course? When I get really excited, and also sometimes otherwise, I talk very fast and it's always not that easy to keep up on what I am saying. So slowing down my speech is definitely a goal. Also, I feel that I need some help summarizing more efficiently. So I hope that this course will help me with that one. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you with the next video.